Hello, today we are back again. It's still our science class. This is the second segment. You know, it's double period. Please don't feel tired, okay? Trying to explain the more details that we need. Okay, we are still under investigation. What we need, like the plan, the question, the effect test, and also the prediction. And you know, to throw more light on our scientific inquiries. Okay, kids, relax. We just finished a segment on how we can write an investigation plan, and we said the first thing we need to write down is the steps we took to take care of the plant. First, we gave the plants water. Some we didn't give some plants water. Secondly, we gave some plant light and some no light. We also went ahead and predicted what will happen to our plant, and after that we gave a conclusion. But before that, we made sure that our investigation was a fair test. How? We made sure that all the plants were the same size and also the same type. So now we are going to go to understand deep more about what we need when we are doing an investigation. The first one is a plan. A plan. We need a plan. We need a plan. When we are investigating something, you cannot just start investigation without anything. So that reminds me, let's have a quick review of our scientific inquiry. Adela, what is the first thing that we need in doing scientific inquiry in the model first page of our class book? We start our investigation with question. Good, Adela. What about your hand? We need to have a plan. Good. We have to predict. Okay. What other thing? We ask questions. Good. Juana Maria, you. We have to write down our results. Okay. Aisha, say something. We have to make it a fair test. You, Genesis, what else do we need to do? Record results. Okay. What else? Your hand. We make observation. Awesome. You observe your plans during the process. You observe your plans during the process. Great. Okay, to the boys, Manuel. What else are you to do? You predict. You have to make predictions. Okay? You predict. You suggest. Pedro, what did you say? I didn't hear you very well. You suggest. Awesome. You have to suggest. Okay, these are some bits and steps in our scientific inquiry when we are carrying out an investigation. So we want to understand what we need during an investigation to really get to a good conclusion. But there is something you didn't mention. After your observation and your results, you have to have a conclusion. I said what? You have to have a conclusion. Awesome. Okay, so let's go to the real thing. Investigation. We need a plan to investigate something. Everybody read. We need a plan. That is, what did I say was a plan, Adela? Steps, okay? Constancia? The step-by-step process. Okay, great. These are the steps you have to follow while carrying out your investigation. Awesome. Now the second one is what? We start an investigation with a question. Yes. We start an investigation with what? A question. So, over to you. Ruslan, what is our investigation question? What do plants need to grow? Awesome. So you need to have an investigation question. You start your investigation with question. Awesome. Now number 3. We make suggestions about what we think will happen. About what we think we do we happen. You make suggestions about what we think will happen. example, an illustration. I'm listening. Somebody should brainstorm. Don't look at the board. We said it in our previous class. Genesis prediction. Good. I know. You have to what? Say what you think will happen, and this is called what? Prediction. Is there in your class book? Look down, you say it in your web book. You just in the puzzle column find it and circle it in. So we need to make sure that the investigation is a fair test. We make sure that the investigation is what? A fair test. How? That is what we are going to know in number 5. We make sure that the plants get the same size and type. Same what? Same size and what? Type. We make sure that the investigation was what? The plants were what? The same what? Size and type. It's very important. So with this dear, I know you must have learned the steps and understood how you will carry out your investigation. Any kind of investigation you want to go into, these are the steps. You have to have a plan. You have to ask an investigation question. Well, the investigation question is what? Trying to let you know what you are going to investigate about. What is it I am researching? What is this project I'm carrying about? What is it all about? What is it? What am I trying to know? That is what the investigation question tells you what about. So after that, you make a prediction. What you think? You predict. You say something. Okay, this is what I think is going to happen. So let me try and find out if it is really what? True. So at the end, you make sure that it is really true. Most times your prediction might be true or false. So there. Sit well. See you next time in another class. It's been awesome having you. I love you still, Mrs.